Once upon a time, in a picturesque countryside, there lived a beautiful woman named Shaima. Her family cherished her with a depth of love that ran as deep as the roots of the ancient oak trees that surrounded their quaint farmhouse. Shaima had always felt the warmth of her family's embrace, but as she grew older, she felt an insatiable yearning to explore life beyond the tranquil countryside. Shaima's dreams beckoned her to the bustling city, where she hoped to complete her studies and secure a job in a bank. Her heart was filled with the desire to repay her family for the kindness and upbringing they had bestowed upon her. With an unwavering determination, Shaima ventured into the city, leaving behind the rolling meadows and the aroma of fresh wildflowers. Her academic journey was marked by sleepless nights, relentless studying, and an unyielding commitment to her aspirations. Yet, when she began applying for jobs in the bank she had dreamed of working at, she faced a daunting hurdle. They demanded prior experience in similar roles. Undeterred by the initial setback, Shaima found a temporary position in a supermarket, responsible for financial operations. She worked diligently, managing her responsibilities while constantly striving to excel. However, as days turned into weeks and months, the solitude of city life began to take its toll. The city's rhythm was a stark contrast to the gentle cadence of her family's love back home. Every night, Shaima would call her family, her voice trembling with homesickness, but she remained resolute in her quest to fulfill her dreams. Then, one fateful day, destiny took a delightful turn. A tall and handsome man named Hamza joined Shaima's team at the supermarket. From their very first conversation, there was an undeniable spark between them. Hamza was captivated by Shaima's charm, her intelligence, and the determination that shone in her eyes. He knew immediately that she was the woman he wanted to spend the rest of his life with. But Shaima was steadfast in her commitment to her dreams. She politely declined Hamza's advances, explaining that she couldn't afford to be distracted by a romantic relationship at this crucial juncture of her life. However, Hamza was not one to be discouraged easily. He was a man of exceptional intelligence and extraordinary communication skills. He sensed Shaima's hesitation and loneliness, and he resolved to become her beacon of support. As Shaima and Hamza continued working together at the bustling supermarket, their bond grew stronger with each passing day. Hamza, a man of remarkable intelligence and charisma, had a way of making even the mundane tasks of inventory management seem intriguing. He was not only a colleague, but also a confidant who listened to her tales of the countryside, the scent of blooming flowers, and the warmth of her family's hearth. Each night, after they finished work, Hamza would engage Shaima in heartfelt conversations, sharing his dreams and aspirations, and listening to hers. He became a comforting presence in her life, a source of encouragement and motivation. He urged her to keep pushing forward, to complete her education and secure that coveted position in the bank. His kindness and unwavering support began to chip away at the fortress Shaima had built around her heart. Shaima's initial rejection gradually gave way to acceptance. Though she was hesitant to label it love, there was an undeniable bond forming between them. She had feared betrayal and attachment, but Hamza was relentless in his assurance that he would never leave her side, no matter what challenges they faced. As the seasons changed and the city's lights twinkled in the night sky, Shaima began to realize that her feelings for Hamza had indeed transformed. What was initially a professional relationship had evolved into a deep and genuine affection. However, Shaima remained hesitant to fully embrace her newfound emotions. The memory of her unfulfilled dreams loomed in the background, and the fear of heartache or betrayal never left her. Hamza, who had so brilliantly pierced through Shaima's defenses, was determined to keep his promise. He vowed to never leave her, to be her unwavering support, and to stand by her side through all of life's trials and tribulations. He made it clear that his love for Shaima was pure and true. Their love story had grown more complex as they navigated the intricate web of emotions, dreams, and destiny. Shaima, despite her growing affection for Hamza, was determined to achieve her goals. She continued to work diligently, gaining valuable experience at the supermarket, and from time to time she applied for positions at the bank, hoping for a breakthrough. Meanwhile, Hamza patiently and persistently remained by her side, offering her the love and support she needed. They laughed together, cried together, and shared their deepest desires. And as time passed, the city seemed to transform around them, becoming a place of hope and dreams. But there was a mystery that hung in the air, a sense that there was more to their story than met the eye. As their bond deepened, an aura of enchantment enveloped them, and a hidden secret seemed to whisper through the alleys of the city. Perhaps it was a twist of fate, a hidden purpose, or a destiny that would reveal itself in time. One evening, as Shaima gazed into Hamza's eyes, searching for answers in their depths, a sudden realization washed over her. It was as if the puzzle pieces of their lives were finally falling into place, and the mystery that shrouded their story began to unravel. But the details of that revelation and the true nature of the mysterious ending to their story remain hidden, known only to Shaima and Hamza. Their love story continued to be written, filled with a profound connection and a sense of destiny as they ventured forward into a future that held secrets only they could comprehend. And that, dear viewers, is the enchanting tale of Shaima and Hamza, a story that captures the essence of love, dreams, and destiny. But what lies ahead for our beloved characters, and what was the mysterious revelation that left us all intrigued? Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on this story? Do you have your theories about the hidden secret in Shaima and Hamza's relationship? And what do you imagine the future holds for them? Please share your feedback and predictions in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to StoriesOfLouty for more captivating tales, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your feedback and engagement truly make this channel come alive. Until next time, keep dreaming and stay tuned for more mesmerizing stories right here on Stories of Louty.